Hello everybody and welcome back to Business Guide. 70% of entrepreneurs in a recent survey say that raising capital is one of their biggest problems while running their business. Another 50% fail because they run out of capital. How to get capital to start your small business? You're about to find out 11 interesting and highly effective options you can explore. Some of the sources of capital we shall explore in this video are very familiar to you, while the rest may come off as strange. Nevertheless, they provide hundreds of entrepreneurs like you the capital they need to start up and grow their brilliant ideas into successful real-life businesses. Today, we're going to be talking about how to raise capital for your business. Make sure you stay, as you don't want to miss out on these amazing ways. Number 1, product pre-sales. Startups often try to sell their services or products in a pre-sale. If your product or service is good enough, it can sell well on a pre-sale. You can also offer your customers a discount, encouraging them to buy your product or service. For example, you can offer a customer to provide a particular service at a discounted cost for a specific number of years if they buy it on a pre-sale. This upfront payment usually provides you with the capital you need to produce the product or service, get it delivered to the customer, and turn a nice profit. This method of raising capital usually works best for businesses that do not require any capital investment to start up. If you don't require any capital to get an office space, buy equipment, or lease a factory, then you can really start a business from scratch using advanced funding from customers. Service businesses like consulting and software mobile app development often require the customer to pay some money in advance. Supply customers with some companies often allow a mobilization fee to be paid to the contractor before the work actually starts. These payments for work not done yet are a great source of startup and working capital for entrepreneurs. Number 2, side business. If you have more than one skill, you can start a side business to fund your startup. Side businesses are often flexible and have low overhead costs. For example, you can work as an independent consultant to fund your B2B startup. You can also consult for cash if your skills are applicable in other non-competing industries. However, splitting your time between the two activities can be quite challenging. Number 3, renting out your home. Renting out your home is the simplest way to raise money to finance your business, especially if you own a large house. It is not as risky as selling your house or using it as collateral to secure a business loan, but rental income may not match your funding requirements. Nowadays, there are apps like Airbnb that allow you to easily post your home as a vacation rental. Nonetheless, it can help you maintain steady cash flow for your business. Number 4, crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is an alternative form of business financing that is used to raise money from a large number of people. There are thousands of crowdfunding websites offering a variety of online fundraising campaigns in the United States. Platforms such as Kickstarter have been helpful to raise people millions of dollars through crowdfunding. Crowdfunding, also known as crowdfinancing, is a new and fast-spreading way of raising startup capital. Instead of focusing on just a few people, banks, friends, and partners, crowdfinancing allows you to raise small amounts of money from many people, a crowd, at the same time. Although this practice has existed for a long time, the spread of the internet has taken crowdfunding to a whole new level. It's amazing at how much you can raise in a very short time with this method. The way it works is simple. You present your business idea or proposal to a crowd by posting it on a website. Your proposal is supposed to convince potential investors and offer them a certain percentage of ownership in your business should they decide to invest. Another version of crowdfinancing allows interested investors to offer you capital, which you will pay back with some interest. No matter the structure, the eventual goal of crowdfunding is that it allows ordinary people from across the world to offer you the capital critical you need to start and grow your business. Crowdfunding may have several variations, but the basic principle is still the same. Some of the noteworthy crowdfunding platforms are myc4.com, kiva.org, kickstarter.com, only US and UK, Indiegogo, and rockethub.com. Number 5, grants. Several grant programs are available on federal, state, and local levels. Government grants are rarely offered to start a business. In fact, a large chunk of federal and state grants goes to non-profit organizations in the country. However, women entrepreneurs can grant starting business. You can contact the nearest women's business center to get information about government grants. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. You may not know it, but many governments and international agencies are interested in supporting small and medium businesses, or SMEs, because of the important roles that they play of growth in any country's economy. Small businesses generate a lot of employment, improve local technology, and produce many products and services that support larger companies and industries. Number 6, mergers and acquisitions. Mergers and acquisitions can help you strengthen your business. Acquiring a competitor's business can increase your market share instantly. It can also help you diversify your business. Companies often buy their suppliers and save big on the margins that suppliers use to add on the costs. Number 7. Line of credit. The line of credit is similar to a business credit card, but for a lot cheaper. Usually a financial institution, such as a bank or community lender, offers a line of credit to a commercial organisation. Borrowers can use a line of credit to raise money anytime they want. The money does not need to be returned within the agreed upon time limit. Interest is charged only on the amount borrowed. If you're a business with a good credit score, this might be a great option for you. Number 8. Home equity loan. If you're looking for a way to fund your startup, you can tap into your home equity. Home equity financing can be set up as a loan or a line of credit. Usually, you can borrow up to 85% of the equity in your home. However, borrowers still have to pay their mortgage. The lender can foreclose on your home if you fall behind on the home equity loan payments. Number 9. Winning a contest. If you have the perfect pitch, just enter a startup competition. Winning a contest or a startup competition is a great way to fund your business idea. Entering a competition can also help you test your entrepreneurial skill and get some media coverage. You have to either develop a new product or prepare a good business plan to participate in such competitions. You would be amazed at the number of business plans competitions that are available every year for most entrepreneurs and small business startups. Many of us don't even know about them. All kinds of local and international organisations put these competitions together to encourage and boost small and medium-scale businesses on our continent. Government foundations, United Nations are just a few of the big names behind some of these contests. Kenya's Lorna Ruto is one of many young entrepreneurs who raised startup capital by winning a business plan competition entrepreneurship contest. In 2011, she won prize money in the Cartier's Women Initiative Award, Sub-Saharan Africa category. This prize money provided the capital she needed to expand her recycling business, which converts plastic waste from the streets of Kenya's capital, Nairobi, into fencing posts. Today, her business, EcoPost, has created over 7,000 fencing posts, 500 new jobs, and generated more than $150,000 in annual sales and saved over 250 acres of forest that would have been cut down. To enter for these competitions is easy. First, you need to make sure you read the rules guiding the competition to confirm that you are eligible to enter the contest. Above all, you should have a well-prepared business plan that presents your brilliant idea or business in a simple, interesting, and convincing format. There are hundreds of business plan competitions out there to choose from. A good place to start. Remember, even if you don't win the competition, you could attract a lot of attention to yourself and your business idea, and there's no telling what good thing can happen from there. Your bank and angel investors may come knocking at your door. Number 10. Personal savings. First-time entrepreneurs often find it difficult to get seed money without showing a track record of revenue. If you invest some of your personal savings in your startup, it may encourage professional investors to fund your business in future. The biggest advantage of using personal savings to fund your business is that you don't have to give up any equity or control. Plus, you are free to grow organically. Number 11. Factoring invoices. Invoice factoring is a simple and quick way for companies to improve their cash flow. Commercial organisations can sell their unpaid invoices to an invoice factoring company at a discount for cash. This is a viable option for many businesses. However, there are many leading companies that look to take advantage of businesses by charging much higher interest rates than conventional lenders. Look for our posts in the upcoming weeks on how to pick a financial lending company if you decide to go with this route. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.